Hello children, welcome to Asta Mewada's Social Science channel. In this video, we will be doing chapter 1 of EVS Super Senses. So let's begin. In your smaller classes, you have learned that humans have 5 basic senses, that is the touch, sight, hearing, smell and taste. Right? Do you recall? The sensing organs, that is the skin, the eyes, the ears, the nose and the tongue, which are associated with each of our sense, send information to the brain to help us understand and perceive the world around us. Correct? Now, in the same way, animals also have sense organs. That is, they can also smell, touch, see, hear and taste just like us humans. But are they the same in both humans and animals? That is, the sense organs, are they the same in both humans and animals? Well, some are the same as human senses and others differ. It varies from animal to animal. In this lesson, we will understand all about how animals use their different sense organs. So let's begin with page 1. What does it say? Has this ever happened to you? Okay, you have been given 3 pictures and you are asked if this has ever happened to you. We have 3 pictures. Okay, you have to read and think and you can share your own experiences also. Okay, now let's take the first picture. You were eating on the ground and an eagle flew down and took away your roti. Has this ever happened with you? Well, it has certainly happened with me when I was small, when we used to go to the village. We just couldn't stand out of the house and eat, Some crow would come just flying suddenly and take away the food from our hands. Yes, this has happened. Here in the textbook, they have mentioned an eagle. So, do you know why this happened? How the eagle came and snatched away the food from her hand? Well, eagles and other birds of prey, like vultures, etc., they can see 4 to 5 times farther than the average human can, right? हमारे से वो लोग 4 से 5 गुना दूरी तक देख सकते हैं. That is why as soon as it saw the roti, it came flying in and took away the roti. Clear? Okay. In the second picture, it is where you dropped something on the ground and within few minutes many ants collected around it. Right? हमारे घर में भी ये कई बार होता है. कुछ खाना कहीं पे गिर गया तो थोड़ी देर में सब चींटियां इकट्ठी हो जाती है वहाँ पे. So ये क्यों होता है? So how did the ants come to know there was food dropped there? Well, why does this happen? Ants are constantly on the hunt for food and water, right? For their colonies. What are colonies? वो जहाँ पे रहते हैं ना वो होल करके वो पूरा. I'll show you a picture in the next slide. Okay, ants are constantly on the hunt for food and water. So your kitchen and bathroom are most common spots to find ants, right? यहाँ पे हमसे सबसे ज़्यादा दिखते हैं. Ants have a remarkably, this is very important. How did the ants come to know there was food over there? The ants have a remarkably sophisticated sense of smell. This allows them to pick up odors, that is smells, any kind of smell that dictate, and this odor, because of this smell that they can pick up, it tells how they behave and how they will interact with each other. Clear? So they have a very strong smell sense organ. Third picture you have, as you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears suddenly shot up. Yes, we have observed this many times, haven't we? We are passing very quietly, but in spite of that, the dog suddenly becomes alert. Why does this happen now? This is because dogs have a keen sense of hearing and they hear better than we do, right? इंसानों से उनका hearing sense ज़्यादा powerful होता है. Dogs hear nearly twice as many frequencies as humans. They can also hear sounds 4 times farther away. So what human ears can hear from 20 feet away, our dogs can hear from 80 feet away. ठीक है, हम जो 20 feet तक सुन सकते हैं, सॉरी, वो 80 feet से सुन सकते हैं, हमसे 4 गुना. So through these pictures we have understood that animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. Some animals can see their prey from far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. The animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. Clear? Now let's move on to page 2. What does it say? How did the ant recognize a friend? Okay. An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. Now, what is the meaning of this paragraph? You have seen this in your house too, that sometimes a swarm of ants, that is a group of ants, suddenly appears from nowhere, right? Like I said before, this is because ants are constantly looking for food for their colonies, and due to their remarkably sophisticated sense of smell, which allows them to pick up odor, they behave and interact with each other. Now, there is another thing to mark from this paragraph. It is written, the ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. Now, what is this guarding? Ant guarding the hole. Every colony, that is every colony of the ant, ये जो holes बनाते हैं उसको colony बोलते हैं. Okay, every colony is guarded by an ant. Ants, they are very loyal to their own colony, but they can be quite nasty towards outsiders. उनके बाहर के लोग पसंद ही नहीं है. बाहर के दूसरे कॉलोनी के ants अगर उनके कॉलोनी में आएंगे तो झगड़ा हो जाता है. Competition among colonies for food and other resources often leads to aggression. That is, they get angry. Many species establish a territory around their nests that is off limits to neighboring ants. That is, other ants cannot enter into their limits. Also, an ant's antenna. अब ये बहुत important है. Ants, they have an antenna, right, that are highly sensitive and contain both touch and smell organs. You must have seen when ants are moving, right? वो एक दूसरे को touch करके जाते हैं, right? This is exactly that. An ant's antenna is highly sensitive and contains both touch and smell organs. So as soon as it comes in touch with another ant, and it can smell it, once it smells it, it recognizes the other ant and lets it in, right? So here, based on this explanation, we have 2 questions which you should be able to answer based on what I just taught you. Okay, that is think and tell. What is the think and tell? How did the ant come to know that the other ants were not from its group, right? Because of its sense organs. And how did the guard ant recognize this ant? Again with the smell. Okay. Now here in the next lines, you have to observe and write. Okay, here is one activity given to you. This is a list of questions, okay, which you have to do it, and then based on your observations, you have to write the answers. What is it? Try this and write. Drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. Okay, so you just have to drop some jaggery or anything sweet, okay, on the ground and observe what happens. Okay, and based on your observation, you have to answer these questions. What are the questions? How long did it take for the ants to come? Okay, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. Okay, you have to mention that. Second question, did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? Okay, so obviously you must have observed that first one ant comes and then many ants follow that ant and reach there. What did the ants do with the food? Obviously, they did not sit and eat it. They took it to their colony. okay, to their hole. And where do they go from there? They go to their colony. Do they move in a line? Yes, of course, we have all observed that they move in a line. So this is for page 2. We will be doing the other activities, other pages, in our next class. Now, based on this page 1 and 2, you have a list of questions for which I have given you solutions over here. You can note down in your classwork book and keep it ready. Okay, so until we meet in the second part, bye, take care.